Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And as you guys can see, I was at CVS again with a whole bunch of clearance. Guys, it is so much stuff that I'm actually going to have two videos for clearance things that are 75% off. So please stay tuned. I'm going to link both of the videos so you can click on both of them. Guys, I'm going to go through, show you UPCs and show you prices. Just make sure that when you're in the store, scan everything, because some of the things that I'm going to show you from my store were not in the place where the summer stuff was. It was on the shelf with regular things. So I just scanned and I found it and I picked it up. So guys, let's get ready to save. So here is like a little lunch tote cooler thing. Again, this is 75% off. Here is the UPC that I scanned at the red machine along with the price. You see it is regularly $12.99. It comes down to $3.25. It is the Maxwell bag mixed. And there's actually a couple different designs. So scan all of them. Here is another one. This one actually has nice little handles to it, and it also comes in blue, which you'll see in the next couple of pictures. But this is regularly $12.99, comes down to $3.25, and this is the Elmond bag mix. And they are insulated bags, so they're nice for tailgating, for lunch. Here's the same one that I was talking about. It's just in a different color. So you can have, you know, pink for the ladies, blue and green for the men. Totally up to you. But you guys know that I do baskets and things. So I'm actually going to put like some tailgating stuff in these and sell these as a basket that way. Now, I did find some things for the kiddos. Here's some book bags. And the book bags are in all different colors, all different material. These come down to $2.50. And I'm going to save these for Christmas to do some baskets for Christmas. But these are regularly $9.99. They come down to $2.50. So that's a really reasonable price to have multiple book bags for the kids. This one's a little more expensive. It's made of a much thicker and better material. But I didn't get this one because the back of it does have some stains on it. But it is regularly $19.99, and it comes down to $4.99. If I go to another store and see that they have it, I'm definitely going to get this one. I really wanted it, so I'm upset about that stain. Here is another great gift you could save for Christmas, make baskets with, or anything. The kids like these. I think I'm going to save this for myself because I need a ring light. But this ring light is regularly $14.99, and it's on sale for $3.75. Imagine giving a kid or a teenager this for Christmas. There's a gift for under $5. Pretty good savings. Now, here's some other items. All of these are 75% off. I didn't bother scanning any of these because I just didn't feel like it because it's just so much to scan. But there's stickers, there's notepads, there's glasses, there's no magnetic boards that you write on. All of this is 75% off. Guys, some of this stuff comes down to a quarter. Some of this stuff comes down to 50 cents, $1. There's paper clips with designs on them. All kind of designs too for kids, for the teachers to decorate their classrooms. There's pencil bags. There's also tote bags that can be used both for kids and adults. Totally up to you. But there's a lot of things that you can get very cheap to give as gifts, put in baskets, save for yourself. There's more notepads, memo pads, and those memo pads are actually 2 in a pack. So that's a pretty good deal for those. Here's more like calendar-like things for the classroom or even for your home office. at a very good price. Again, they're 75% off. Here's some headphones. These are 75% off. They're regularly $19.99. So those will come down to $4.99. Great Christmas gift to hold on to for the kiddos. Now here's some water bottles, as well as some more stickers and books. Again, all of those are 75% off. And by the way, those are aluminum water bottles. Here's some little decorative plants, more things for the teachers, more stickers, just an abundance of things, 75% off. You just have to scan away. Here's some flip-flops, sandals, water shoes. The flip-flops come down to $2. And again, everything that I'm showing you is 75% off. Here's some more designs or colors for the flip-flops. And you don't have to just wait to use these in the summertime. You can use them as shower shoes or whatever you need to use them for. They also have plenty of toys, water toys, pool toys. They're all 75% off. Goggles, all kind of pool activities that you can get now, put up for when you go to the beach next year or on vacation or for your personal pool. Again, everything's 75% off. And my stores have been pretty well stocked, as you guys can see. And I'm showing you guys these shelves after I've already taken 2 cartloads of stuff out of the stores. There you see, there's light up pool toys and accessories. So it's something for everyone, both adults and the kids. All kind of water things and toys to keep the kids busy, and you can get them at a very good price. Or you can actually, get these and make, summer fun packs and sell them. Just put the stuff up and wait until the summer and then sell them, and you'll make a very nice profit off of those types of baskets. So here's some more. And then they even have the lawn chairs for 75% off. So here I'm going to actually show you a couple of different styles that are 75% off. And they have different colors too. So you just have to go around the store and look for them. And some of my stores even had some located on top of the coolers. So with some on the shelves as well as on top of the cooler. So look up, look down, look around, look to your sides, look everywhere for this clearance stuff. Because trust me, you're going to find some. I found it everywhere. Now, here is another thing that I found. This is a 3-piece resin wicker folding bistro set. This actually comes down to $50. So I thought that was a pretty good buy too. And then here's more things that are 75% off. Some decorative items for your patio or your porch or wherever. Some drink glasses. There are also some fun decorative things down here. You can use in your beach house, your office, whatever you decide to do with them. But they're at great prices, 75% off. There's even red, white, and blue things. Here's some more flip-flops and pouches. There's chip clips. There's some decorations if you wanted to do like a beach theme, lantern-like decorations. Guys, I loved these. I grabbed some of these freezer packs. They come down to 25 cents. They're regularly 99 cents. I'm going to put these in my NFL baskets with the coolers and tote bags. This is another neat thing that I got that I think is great for a gift. It's another light, and it changes all different colors. It's regularly $12.99. And it comes down to $3.25. It comes with a remote control. Excuse me, it's a RGB sound bar. So it lights up all different colors, plus gives sound. So again, great gift for a teenager. And then here's some umbrellas. porch umbrellas, patio umbrellas that are 75% off. Now, my store only had gray. I don't know if there's other colors that are 75% off, but just check. But I could only show you, I mean, not gray. It's like a tannish gray, like a taupe, I guess. So check your store for those, and I'm going to go over my receipt. Okay, guys, so I'm out of the store. This is everything I got this round. I'm headed back in to check out the snacks and the different food items that is on clearance for 75% off. A lot of it is not marked. Some of it has Ibotta rebates. So I will link that video so you can see that. But hopefully you were able to, or you're going to be able to find some of these things. Please take screenshots so that once you get to the store, you can look them up and you'll be able to match things up and know that you got the right thing. And until the next time, keep on saving.